This program can help you to manage unlimited Twitter accounts. If you want to create the content, you go to content management and then add post. On the left side, you can put the text, and on the right side, you can put in here the picture or the videos. And then you save the changes. Go to viral marketing and start function, post tweet. And then you can see here that the configuration I already put in here, and then it will auto-save for the next time. So you can choose like select post and then load out on the post that you have. Choose the post you want to use, like you can see here. You also can choose like now some feature, other like duplicate post or something like that. And then you load out on the Twitter accounts that you have. You can tag someone or you can interact with the post after posting. And then you click the start up here. And you can see here the program is opening like a small window account right now. So each small window right here is a different Twitter accounts, and then it will start to auto posting. So for example, like if you have like 100 Twitter accounts, and then if it's finishing like the first 18, and then it will log out and go into the next 18 account to start posting till you finish all the accounts that you have. And you can see here that is insert in the text and then the picture. After it finishes posting, it will log out the account. Here, I can open for you a window that the account is posting right now. So it will insert the text and then the picture. You can see here. And then it will auto-posting. So instead of you need to hire employees to do manual work, or you need to do it by hands, the program will run automation for you. I think this is the end for today's videos. If you have any question or you want to install the program, please send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp. I will help you to install the program. Thank you for watching.